Hello sweetie, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make on budget spaghetti. Yes please, this costs really less and I'm going to tell you how much it costs in the end of this video. This you can make for your children if your kids love macaroni and they're always asking for indomie and you have a tight budget. You can make it this way for them. It's really delicious. I am adding salt to my water. I'll cover it and let it boil. Then I'll break my spaghetti into 3 and I'll stir and cover again for it to boil. You have to, when you stir and cover, you have to uncover it again and stir one more time before you let it go for 4 minutes. You don't have to let it become really soft. 4 minutes is okay for you to just bring it out. If today is your first time on this channel, you're warmly welcome to this family. And to my return viewers, thank you so much guys. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate you. Thank you. And please, if you have been watching my videos and you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel and help me reach 1k subscribers. Please, let's do this. Do this for me. After 4 minutes, it's ready. So you need to take it out from the heat. I'm using this type of we call it Sunny here, yeah. And I will add a cold water to it. I'll wash it with cold, not too much, a little bit of cold water. I do it that way because when I add cold water, it prevents it from not sticking together. Yes. I'll cut my onions. I'm using 1 large onion. As I said on my previous video, I have a lot of amazing plans for this channel and it can happen with your help. So please subscribe, share this to your loved ones to support this channel. I've set my pan on the heat and I have oil in it before I added the onion. So if I did not bring that part, I have oil in it. The oil is not too much. I add 1 egg, just 1 large egg. I will stir it. And leave it for it to fry. And I'm using 1 sardine. So I'll add my sardine to it. I'm adding my ginger and garlic powder, and this is spaghetti spices. This is pepper, powdered pepper. So I'll cut my carrot. I don't have a lot of ingredients in this or vegetables. I just had carrot and green pepper, spring onion. I'll set it aside and cut my spring onion. I'll just add the spring onion and carrot to it. I'll stir it up and leave it for 1 minute. I'll keep on stirring because I don't want it to burn. I added my salt to it. Not too much salt, just a little bit of salt to it. Black sauce is optional if you don't have some at home. I just added my spaghetti to it. I'll stir it up. Yes, keep stirring it. Keep turning it around. Mix everything together well. I don't have too much oil in this one because too much oil is not good, so you have to watch the oil you use for this. We are done with this, and I'll leave it on the heat for 1 minute more. Just look at that. It is simple, but oh my goodness, this was delicious. My kids love Indomie, they love spaghetti, and seriously, sometimes they're actually, especially the younger one, he does not know the difference between this and actually Indomie, so they love this. It was delicious. And can you believe this cost 28 cedis? Yes. And if you have 4 children, you can make this for them and you can get 4 plates out of this. You have to try it.